the
I'm gonna get all that out.
Yeah.
You ain't gonna ever get tired of that much.
You want macchiato?
No, it's fine.
I'll get you a tiny one.
Okay, I think we can have that one made with soy instead.
Okay.
Alright, so just the 2 drinks, right? Alright, it's gonna be $10.89.
Okay, thank you. I'm so scared because if this is nasty, I just wasted it. We got, okay, first of all, we ordered 2 tall. Saying what we did get soy milk, so of course that's extra, but $10 for these smaller drinks. Okay,
So
Marla, I feel like this is not it.
I hope it is.
Don't even smell.
Pumpkin spice cold brew. I really thought it was
No.
I really thought it was the
Pumpkin
latte.
spice is the latte, but this is the.
Pumpkin cream.
I'm scared. This is it.
Okay.
So it's still not like something that I would drink every. Like I won't be coming back to get this like every time. When it gets colder, I might come back and get one just to have it. But it's just, I don't understand the.
I told you, Mom, when Mimi had it last year, she got it warm. It was, I think it was a latte, but it was warm, and I think it was better.
Now for wanting something sweet, like she definitely made it sweeter with the stuff like she added in there, but I just can't get the. I don't understand. I don't. It wasn't nasty. Now that pumpkin spice latte, I do not like that one at all. And I don't think I had him like to add anything extra in there for me. I got it as is, and it wasn't good, and it was like a dark color. Maybe okay. So I think this is what it is, Marlon. The pumpkin cream cold brew. How do you say it? It's good iced, and I think the pumpkin spice latte just needs to be hot. I think that's what it is. That was a hot drink, Marley. Latte. I think alright, so I think we'll go back and try the latte and try it hot. I think that'd be good. So I am gonna drink this coffee, and then I'm also about to order something from Chipotle because we haven't had anything to eat. I say that all the time, like, okay, so I do need to go get groceries. But most of the time in the morning, we hit the, like, we get up, like, moving and going. So we don't really eat that much breakfast. Or I don't really cook that much breakfast. Marley, she'll pretty much eat at home for breakfast. But I don't eat. I'm always busy. So I pretty much forget to eat a lot of the time. So whenever I finally get hungry, it's like, I need to eat right now. So it is 12:04. And I'm about to go get something from Chipotle. I'm over here getting some supplements from my holistic doctor because we've run out of a few things and my mama needed some stuff. So that was the main trip of coming over here, is to go to the doctor. And I kind of want to go to Victoria's Secret because they have a sale going on. Hold on, they don't have a sale going on. I got a coupon for $20 off of a $50 purchase, and I need some new underwear. So I'm trying to like stock up and get rid of old underwear and get new ones. So I just figured I would use that coupon, and then I can get Skims like towards the end of the year when I want to like spend a little bit more. But for right now, I'm just gonna do that. I'm trying to think if there's anything else. We got coffee. We're gonna get food. Gotta get our vitamins and then Victoria's Secret. And then Marley has a doctor's appointment today at 3 because she's been dealing with sinus and allergies and a sore throat. So I just want to make sure we're okay with all of that. And I think that's it. It's really pretty outside. So yeah, we're gonna do that, and then I'll just let you know what we do later on. Alright, good morning, you guys. We just left the doctor's office with my mom, and then we went and got some donuts that we didn't need, but we needed. Let me see the box. I'm gonna show them what kind. It's called potato nut. If you're on the coast in Ocean Springs,
It's just a banana house.
I don't know what all that my mama got, but that's what it looks like. And they really are, like, they're better than Krispy Kreme. I don't care what y'all say, but they are. But it smells so good. Okay, and I think we're gonna go get some coffee too, because I just need coffee right now. And then possibly go get something to eat at Nuke's. We still trying to figure out where we're actually gonna go get something to eat from, because we are hungry. Again, I mean, we start off all our vlogs, I'll be like, I ain't had to eat. It's 10:16 right now, so it's earlier right now than what I normally eat. But I've already started my work day also. But I'm in the car, so I've been doing a lot of work on my iPad and my phone. So I'm just trying to get back home so I can get to my computer. And that's probably what I'll be doing for the rest of the day. So yesterday I know I was bad vlogging. We did do a lot of running around. I just never picked my camera back up because I was driving and like doing a lot of stuff. I don't think we went shopping yesterday because time got away from us. I had to take Marlon to the doctor's office at 3. And it takes us an hour to get from Mobile back to Mississippi. So we ended up not going to shop. So I might go tomorrow. Oh, Moe's, this is so greedy of me, but Moe's has free queso day today. So we might go check that out. I'm not sure, but free, you can't never turn down free cheese. So we probably gonna do that too. Want some?
Sure.
All right, so we got the donuts, and then this is where we ended up, of course.
Got it in there, but
we're up this morning getting stuff for my nephew's party at school. All the unhealthy stuff, but auntie duties. I had to come to get some food with my mom and my daughter, and I was in the middle of doing this. I was in the middle of doing a clay mask. All right, let me get my life together. Okay. I had to come to the store to get something for my mom, and I had my daughter with me, and I had a clay mask on because I got like a fever blister, and this is how I'm out looking in public, and I'm like an hour and something away from my house. All right, it's so noisy in here right now because we have a lot of people over here at the moment, so I'm gonna try to hurry up and do this. I went and got a dress today from H&M. This is not the one I wanted to get, but I realized the one that I wanted was like $30, and looking at the fabric and everything, I just did not think that it was worth the $34.99. So I got this one instead, and it was only $20. It doesn't have straps, but you can attach them if you want to. So it's kind of like a halter dress, and you can put the straps on. And it's not all the way, I don't think it comes all the way to my ankles. But yeah, I'll show you whenever I try it on. It's really cute. I'm thinking that tonight is going to be like a chill, quiet night where I just clean and wipe everything down, because as you can see, this counter is out of control. So I'm going to do that, wash my face masks, and kind of go through and take the lint off of them because they always get linty whenever I wash them. So I'm going to do that, and then probably work on some more of my cards tonight. Alright, so I think I'm going to go ahead and print these, and I'm using Moo.com. This would be like the front, and then this is the back. It just has mine and Ashley's name on it, and then it has our logo too, right there, and it just says the Moody Desk. So that's the back, and then just a few of what they look like. I'll show you. But yeah, so this is going to be a few sets. I'm going to go ahead and get these printed, and then I'll let you guys know whenever they're in the shop. I'll just like update you and let you see like the full collection in case you want to purchase.